Hello, Sheldon. How's it going? My name is Jesus, and I got permission from your assistant or whoever answered the phone earlier to send this video on over to you. And the point of this video is I'm just going to show you 3 tips and tricks that you can do to increase your online presence and to essentially gain more sales and then, of course, more revenue. So the 3 things that I'm going to talk to you about today are content, the second one being backlinks, and then lastly, citations. So before we dig into all that, I just want to look at your web page here, and I mean, I got to be honest with you, it's awesome. It's really neat. I think it did. I should say it looks really clean. It's not, no pun intended. It looks really clean from just a third party outlook. And just going through your website, I'm going to highlight all the words here on your website and just kind of see how many words you're sitting at, okay? Well, that didn't work out. Let's try that one more time here. Unfortunately, with Google, they don't really care like how clean or how nice a website looks. All they care about is content and keywords. So let's see, you're sitting at 207 words. So I would definitely, an authoritative website has roughly anywhere between 15 and 2,000 words. So I would definitely ask that you bump that up. If you want Google to find you better, I would add definitely some more words, anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000, and getting some keywords in there, kind of like, let's see how I found you here. I found you just by searching carpet cleaning Farmington, New Mexico. So if you wanted to put in carpet cleaning Farmington, New Mexico, if you wanted to put cleaning services Farmington, New Mexico, carpet cleaning services, just anywhere of that note is Google considers a keyword, right? So if we go into, let's see. So I have this tool, right? It's called Ahrefs, and it kind of shows me everything that's going on with your website. It tells me the amount of backlinks you have, referring domains, and how many keywords exactly that you're using, right? And how many people are viewing your website on a monthly basis. So this tool, obviously I pay for it myself. I'm in the industry, but you can definitely find plenty of free tools out there on Google, right? Just type in like keyword finder, a referring domain finder. And you could definitely use this to see kind of what you're looking at, or what I'm looking at. So right off the top, I can see that you have 28 referring domains. Basically, it's just a bunch of different websites that refer back to your website, pushing traffic to your website. And this shows how many times they're doing that, okay? And then this is the amount of keywords you have currently on your page. If I click on that, if I click on it, let's see, it should show me the keywords that you're using. All right, OnTheSpot Cleaning, you've got carpet cleaning Farmington, New Mexico, spot cleaning. These are all pretty good keywords. Carpet, let's see, flooring Farmington, New Mexico. Yeah, definitely. These are definitely good keywords. So if you wanted to look at your backlinks over here, I'm going to go back to overview really quick, and then we'll go to the backlinks, or to the referring domains, I should say. So not all backlinks and referring domains are created equal, okay? Google knows that you're not a restaurant, so if you try and have a restaurant link back to your website, it's not going to give it as much power, okay, as it would be, say, like a carpet cleaning forum or a blog or an article, right, with carpet cleaning. Putting your website in some of those would definitely increase your power and would increase the amount of times that people find your website online. So gofarmington.com, it looks local. Yeah, so your competition right now is San Juan Chem Dry, okay? Looking at their numbers, you can see that they're outranking you big time. See, if I look at yours here, I think yours had, what was that, 28? Let's see. Yeah, you have 28, and they have 79. Look at the amount of times that they're linking on these pages over here, okay? So this is probably the reason why they're outranking you. So if I'm typing in carpet cleaning Farmington, New Mexico, all right, they're right here at this #1 spot, and you are way down here on the 7th spot. That's a lot of calls that you're missing out on, because I don't know if it's just me, but I definitely don't take the time to scroll all the way down here, and I rarely hit this #2, okay? So that's the backlinks portion. Now I'm going to explain to you the citations portion. Now, this is where the most traffic comes, okay? This is where most people come and get their business from, right? So this is probably the most important. So Aladdin is at top, okay? Is at the top, and then it's ChemDry, and then it's you guys. The only way to beat these guys in this area is by listing your business, your address, the name of your business, your phone number, and your website on all these different directories, okay? Now, the different directories out there are Yelp, Home Advisor, Yellow Pages, White Pages, even the Farmington Chamber of Commerce. Any of these places are great directories so you can build up your citations. So what I would do if I were you is I would look up how many citations Aladdin carpet cleaning and restoration is. I would one-up them, right? So if they had 150 citations total, I would one-up them by putting 170, 180 by beating them and getting this top spot here, right? This is where all the traffic goes. As I said, this is where all of your money making is going to be. So if you wanted to do that, like I said, just research how many citations these guys have and just one-up them. Okay, so just to kind of refer back, the first one, content, making sure that we have 1,500 to 2,000 words on your website, ensuring that they have relevant keywords, right? Carpet cleaning, Farmington, New Mexico, spot cleaning, Farmington, New Mexico, just like yours has. I would just look up my opponents. And the good thing with these keywords and backlinks is that if they're good enough to rank your opponent at this #1 spot here, then they're good enough to rank you, right? To claim this #1 spot and get all those leads and all those services, right? And then lastly is citations. As I said, just look up the directories that your opponent, that your competitor has, and just make sure that you are adding even more on top of that. And that's how you get here, right? This is how you get to this #1 spot. So you're probably wondering, you know, what happens from here. So you can do these things all yourself. Obviously, you can do the research and plug in all the numbers and all the websites and making sure that you're #1 and getting all the phone calls right instead of San Juan and Aladdin. Or you can hire someone to do that. Obviously, I'm in the industry, and if you're needing help with that, you can definitely reach out to me, and I can see what I can do about ranking your business #1 in Farmington. Again, I just want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope I explained this thoroughly. If you have any more questions, please contact me, okay? Thank you so much. Have a good day, Sheldon. Bye-bye.